everyone, welcome back. So today I have another unboxing for you of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Cyber Week purchases made by Jessa. It was a rough week, so there's going to be several of these videos. So this box is from MAC, and I didn't get a ton. I got a few things. So a staple for me are their Pro Longwear paint pots because they make a great cream eyeshadow. They also make a great eyeshadow base. So this one is Black Mirror. And I really like using Black Mirror as eyeliner as well as eyeshadow. Great for a smoky eye, great to blend out. It's also a really great base for specifically like multi-chrome, duochrome, holographic type of eyeshadow because it gives it a completely different look. And the next things I ordered are eyeliners from the Black Panther collab because I absolutely love their eyeliners. So I bought both of the shades from the collab. The first one here is Wakandan Tradition, and the second one is Wakanda Proud. And then they also sent me a deluxe sample of the Strobe cream, which is good as a overall face primer if you want to have like a glowy look underneath your foundation, or you can also use it as a highlighter on your cheeks. Multi-use. It's a general skin illuminator. But let's go ahead and swatch this stuff so I can show you all what it looks like. And, you know, I'll use it throughout other videos, post about them on Instagram, Twitter, all the places when I use things. So just, you know, subscribe so that you can keep an eye out. So here is Black Mirror. And I'm just going to use my finger, swirl it around, swatch it on my hand. And then I'm going to cap it so it doesn't dry out. So just a little bit of a swatch here. So you can see how opaque it is with just that little bit of twirl. And the first eyeliner, Wakanda Proud. There was a purple one and a white one. Wakanda Proud is the purple one. So here we go. And then the other eyeliner was Wakandan Tradition. And this one's the white eyeliner. And as you can see, they go on very opaque. So that was just one swatch on both of those. Here's what the packaging looks like for the white one, which, you know, you can see when you shop on their website, but I show you here because I have it. And then just for fun, since I also have their traditional black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner specifically, let me pull that one out and I'll just do a swap next to it. Now this is the Liquidlast 24-hour waterproof liner. All three of these, you know, the collab with Black Panther as well as the black one are from the Liquidlast formula. So they should all be 24-hour waterproof. So the black one. And they're still drying down. So I like that there's a little bit of time to work with it. That way, in case you make a mistake, you can clean it up. They don't seam. They are not like bleeding into the wrinkles that are in my hand because I am older, so that is good. But yeah, there we go. Oh, and just in case you have never used the MAC strobe cream before, you know, I know this is kind of an oldie kind of product for a lot of people, so it may not be something you're familiar with. If you haven't been in the makeup community or purchasing makeup for quite a long time. So we'll put that right here. So that was about a pea-sized amount. That would have been what I would have used like to prime my face. But you can see as I'm blending it out, it's not like one of those glittery primers, you know? It's more of a hydrating primer. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. So this is actually like a glowy primer that I would use because I don't like glowy primers that have glitter in them. Just because that's my personal preference. But you can see the glow effect that it provides, that dewiness, and it feels really good, smooth, moisturizing. You can't see it on camera, but there is looks like that there's a light pink sheen to it, but I don't really think it's noticeable. I'm looking at it on my hand over here in natural light, and once it's spread out, you can't see it. It just looks glowy and shiny. So we'll see. I'll test it underneath the foundation at some point, and I'll post on one of my socials somewhere about it. Maybe I'll do a video here. Who knows? But follow me on all the things so that you don't miss out on whatever I post. Instagram, Twitter. I hardly ever post on Facebook, but you can follow me there if you want. And since Twitter may or may not exist, who knows what happens in the future, I've also created a Twitch, a Hive, and a Tumblr. I don't know where I'm going to end up if Twitter goes down, but basically, there we have it. Here we go. Any questions, comments, and concerns, leave them down below. And until I get my next package. Love you all.